I am from RGKT IIIT Andhra Pradesh. In this presentation, I want to tell mostly how I got inspired for this competition, and of course, I do want to make you people to be inspired. My topic is Devottas, means life of heaven. Actually, when you hear the word heaven, you'll have a thing in your mind that a place of peace, right? I want to create the same thing using my project Devottas. What is the heaven for the common people? You people think that nature which is around us is nothing but a heaven. But if you see, this nature is the one which inspired man for us, actually for me, to do this colony, to construct this colony. It has created the quest to know. Of course, this is a quest which is responsible for the people, for the present technology, what we are having around us. And of course, we have to explore further, and we explore till now. And this quest has led to do something special. Of course, the thing is there still in me to do something special. Of course, I can't tell, you can ask me what is special you're going to do, but I want to do special that every people on the earth must be benefited. And you can tell how this nature is basis for this. I want to give an example for this. The best example I can see is the nanotechnology. We got this from nature, that gecko lizard. Of course, there are many examples, but I think this is the best example. And finally, this quest has led into endless universe. Still, man is not sufficient with what he is having around us, and now we went into the path of space colony. And this space colony, actually, if anything that is man-made artificially doesn't satisfy every group of people. But if you talk with the normal people around you, then of course, I saw many people rejecting the concept of space colony, because they are telling that instead of waiting 20 years to build another, why don't you strive for these 20 years to reconstruct this earth what is around us? Why to construct another earth? Because of course we people are we're having quest to discover something new. So we went to colony of space, and so I wanna create a nature in my space colony too, which creates quest in our future generations, so that this quest, what is going on, will not end up to here. And this is just like a man underwater will strive for oxygen. See, if you are in the water, if you don't know swimming, of course I don't know swimming, if you're in water, you will just strive for oxygen. Oh my god, where is oxygen? In the same way, actually, I don't say everyone, but there are some people those who are very special, they have quest. I have to do something for the mankind. In the same way, I want to continue the same quest to our future generations, so that our human species will continue for generations after generations. And to this vast universe, of course, this is the picture which you are all familiar with this. And I told you now, the space colony, Devottas means the life of heaven. It provides nature to create quest, and it stands as a basic step for the next cycle of generation. Actually, this nature is one which suits for every age group, even old age or childhood or adolescent. So that actually adolescent is a very basic step, because we are the students who are in the adolescent age, which leads us to the path of construction or destruction. But I want everyone to be in the path of construction. I want to tell that this providing nature, of course, instead of creating everything artificially, providing nature ensures man in all aspects to prosper and nourish. Yes, I think this is a major problem we're having. Everyone will say our ancestors have given us a peaceful earth, but we people, what we are doing, everyone will say, oh, this earth is destroying the pollution, everything. And actually, I want to change this word. Actually, I want to give again some intel that we have borrowed not only from the ancestors but also from our successors too. I want to change this word. I want to tell that we are going to give there what we received from our ancestors to our successors too. So through our Devottas. So I want to tell that Devottas is the best, this concept, and let's step into the Devottas. Thank you.